TK Fantastic High Volume Low Speed Fan is the most cost-effective solution for your business. TK Fantastic Sdn Bhd is founded by a team of mechanical and electrical engineering professionals. With more than 20 years of experience in the mechanical and electrical engineering industry, we are committed to developing the most cost-saving way to cool the air.
Different from usual fans, high-volume low-speed fans have a wider blade span. Their diameter can go up to 24 feet, spreading a large amount of air at low speed.
Due to its aerodynamic design similar to the aircraft wing, HVLS fans create columns of air that flow down horizontally on the floor until the columns hit the sidewall that carries it further. This helps to provide better air circulation in the facilities. TK Fantastic has enhanced the HVLS fans with various technologies. We have improved the HVLS fans motor protection with waterproof and dustproof technology. Our HVLS fans high-efficiency motor generating a massive airflow with power consumption as low as 660 watts per hour. With aluminum alloy as the material, our HVLS fans are the lightest in the market. They weigh only 65 kilograms, significantly relieve the loading on the building. Our HVLS fans come with smart controllers to manage a full range of control options.
We provide on-site installation plans for our clients. Our HVLS airflow specialist will estimate the size of the fan to optimize the airflow with fewer aircon and fans. Safety is one of our priorities. From setup to as small as bolts and nuts, we pay extra attention to details to ensure the safety of the fan's installation process, the premises, and the appliances. We provide on-site assessment, measurement, and planning, ensuring the location is suitable to install the HVLS fan.
Normally, you would believe that HVLS fans are only for large indoor spaces. You can install an HVLS fan in a smaller space too. The fan will help businesses to save costs by improving oxygenation with low energy consumption.
We provide high-quality HVLS fans and services at affordable prices in Malaysia.
TK Fantastic, the HVLS fan. Bigger, more comfortable, and saves more.